All right, here we go again. Another exciting episode. We're talking about 1030F build with me, Scott. Minimax airplane, part 103. And what I need to do now is I got the wing bolts mounted and all that. I got this wing off. I need to put these 4 bolts on that hold this channel up underneath here. And it's not quite centered, so I gotta make sure I go over a little bit. You know, it wasn't sunny today, but it was still a beautiful day out. I really don't prefer the cloudy days that much, but it was a beautiful daggone day. I'm not kidding you. And it's still nice out, just very comfortable. Hope you enjoyed your day today. It's important to enjoy your day. I actually started a new job today. It was the first day on the job, and it was a nice day. A lot of nice people. All right, so here we go. See if I can drill this upside down. I'm messing it up. All right. These babies are going on for good. Got to the point now where everything's going to start getting tightened down. Up till now, I haven't tightened hardly any nuts or bolts and screws. Now is the time. All right. Next. Using the green stuff because you never know, one day I might want to take it apart. The red stuff on these little screws is pretty close to epoxy. I'll tell you what, this thing is filthy on the inside from a year's worth of dust and dirt in here. Off. Boom. Okay. Good. harder to get to. All right, one more. All right, last one. This is a milestone right here, getting all this put on. Get off there, get. Cat scratching on the plastic. Yep. Got a couple more few minor things to do. The wings are done. All right, she is in there. I got two things to do to these back mounting brackets. Got a little bushing I made here out of a piece of pipe, and made for that 1/4 inch bolt to go right in it. And that's right back here. Goes right there. I got to drill that hole out bigger. Put this bushing in there. Put that in there so that when these two tongues right here are in that hole, that it doesn't just pull against the wood. There's a piece of wood embedded inside of here. And that's all there is. This spar is just a wooden spar. But I'll put this in there, and that way, anyway, you won't have a lot of movement, and then this gets epoxied in there. I don't want to epoxy it unless I'm going to put the wing on. I guess I can. I want to make sure the wing is on in the right position. You know, there's going to be just a little bit of slop in this bushing, in the wood. If nothing else, you got to have a little room for the epoxy to grab onto it. Can't be that tight. I've taken a grinder and cut a bunch of little slots in it to give the epoxy something to grab onto, since this is a slick pipe. So I guess I can go ahead and epoxy this one in. Then I have to take that wing apart and epoxy it in. It doesn't take too long, really. I mean, once you know how to take the wings apart and put them back together. So what I got to do now is drill this 3/16 hole out. A 1/4 inch hole out, sorry, to this 3/8 size. And hopefully I get the right angle and everything. I went right through. And you stick that in. Put epoxy in it, then pull the wing in so that when it glues into place, I know it's sitting in the right spot. So let me go mix up just a dab of epoxy. Let me use pins like this, and I've got some more ordered for holding the wing on, and then the two struts come up underneath these quick release. It'll make putting the wing on and off real quick. All right, I think I got enough in there. Put a little grease on that bolt so I don't get the epoxy don't stick to it. Okay. All right, got me some grease to put on there. So let's slide this thing into place. There we go. You're gonna get this bolt in there. We're gonna put the airlines on tonight, but it's getting late. Been a long day. All right, I got to pull the other wing off and epoxy in that bushing, but I don't think I'm gonna do it tonight. I think I'm kind of wore out. I think I'll get it tomorrow. Then let me see what we gotta do. Then we gotta put the airlines on. And put the cables up and all that, get all the controls pretty well in adjustment, you know, not too far out. Look for anything I missed. I might work on this. I might work on putting this little combing or little cover right on here too. And my gosh, I think we're ready to go ahead and start taking it apart to get it covered. do a little fine sanding, do some covering. I gotta learn how to cover. I've done a lot of model airplanes, never done a real one, a big one anyway, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully I don't warp it too bad or burn it and all that. I got some extra skin, which is good. Got lots of paint, so trial and error, here we come. You know what? It was a beautiful day here. I hope you all have one too. Hope your days are blessed and hope God's looking down on you with a smile on his face. Don't forget,